DAJA DJ6 mobile phone. Instruction guide. We place the engraved item underneath the machine. Power on the machine and wait for the machine to self-test. Quality control is complete. Open the mobile app. Then click on Not Connected in the upper right corner. Connected is displayed in the upper right corner. Entering engraved text. The width and height of the text can be changed here. Click the Preview button to preview the engraving position. The machine will automatically find the location. We click on Next. This interface allows you to select the power, speed, and number of engraving cycles of the machine. Selection of appropriate power and speed for different materials. Here are some recommended powers and speeds. Once the power and speed have been selected, we need to adjust the focal length of the laser head. We find this knob for the laser head. Turn the knob to minimize the focus. Adjustment is complete when the focus point is the smallest and brightest. Open the mobile app to complete the final engraving.